So now that we've gone over three-point lighting, I wanted to talk about another type of lighting, which is ambient light, or the available light that you can use on a daily basis. This doesn't require any setups, it's just what's out there. Currently we're lighting completely off of sunlight, and it's a nice cloudy day, so I have a really diffused light. Another type of ambient light would be at night when you have a street lamp on the street corner, and you can go and use that light for your photography. And it's a great way of, you don't have any control over it, but you can move your subject and you can move your camera to get really great results. I think a lot of great photographers have used ambient lighting to their benefit, and this really takes everything we've talked about and puts it into, okay, I'm on the street, I have this as my background, and I'm going to use this as my light source. And it works. Learning how to use ambient light is a big lesson, and something that really does require you to go out and use the ambient light. See what's possible with the lighting. It's not always going to be, oh, well, it's a diffuse sun so I can shoot any direction I want. Well, actually, currently the sun's behind me, and that's why I'm having a little more light here and a little less light here. That was a conscious decision that we made, because if I was like this, I have a flat light source, and it's not as dynamic as having a little bit more darkness on one side. At the same time, during night photography, let's say, if you use a street post as your main light source, you have to choose the background correctly, because if there aren't any lights in the background, all you're going to see is what's under that street lamp. But if you have, a freeway in the background, let's say, it adds another layer to your photography. So really, ambient lighting's all about moving around in your environment, looking what the lighting's doing, and utilizing that. Consciously making decisions of, oh, I want to shoot because it's, golden hour, or I want to shoot because it's overcast, or I want to shoot in the forest because it gives a great diffused look. These are all decisions that photographers make on a day-to-day basis, and they really change your photography, because at the end of the day, taking photos is all about lighting, and one of the easiest ways to do this is with ambient light, because you don't need to set up any lights, you don't need electricity, you don't need to go rent or buy lights, but you use what's available to you. And I think that's one of the great reasons that street photographers have come away with some of the most incredible photos just by walking around. So go out and play with ambient lighting. I think some of the greatest photographers have utilized this light in amazing ways, and it really shows your creativity. I'll post some of my photos using ambient light, and I can't wait to see what you come up with.